Yesterday I noticed 2 of my canary seeds were growing. Look, it's already gotten a little roots. Can you guys see it? Look. So I'm gonna plant it. Hold on. So what you do is you put it root down.
We're in 5th grade right now.
Here's another one. You put a little water on this too. We'll do white chocolate because a little bit of water on it to get it started. That's it. Now put on the window here. I'm going to put today's date on it. Today is the 1st of October. So I'll remember when I planted it. It's good to date when you put your stuff, so you know how long. Melons take about 100 days.